Today I'm going to review a company from which I actually bought my camera and other lenses from. Let's go ahead and see what different people are saying about it. So guys, this company I'm talking about is eGLOBAL Central, and it's really famous for its online selling cameras and electronic items, you name it, they have it. Drones, they've got Canon cameras, Nikon cameras, lenses and so on, and mobile phones and accessories. So one of the things is that I've noted on YouTube that lots of people have faced a lot of issues. I bought my camera from them, and I'm going to tell you my personal opinion, how it was ordered and what happened. So guys, first off, let me tell you a little bit about the company. The company is basically based in Hong Kong. They do get products which are cheaper than Europe because of the taxes and the duties which they save. So that is one thing. So there's no point in saying that it's fake or there might be some other reason to it. The only reason is they are duty free, and so that's why they save quite a lot of money on taxes, and that is why the end consumer gets a much more reasonable priced product. Now, secondly is that ordering the product is really simple. Now, let me tell you guys before I go on that I'm not affiliated in any shape or form with the company itself. What I found out was that ordering was really simple. For people in the UK, you can go onto their UK site, and for US, you have a US site. They normally send out the products through DHL. You can track your product, and once you get it, if you have any issues, you can return it back because of the online purchase and consumer rights. And most of all, I feel that if you are willing to invest in a product and you really want to try it out, then I think High Street would be the best. Now I'm going to talk to you about my Canon 77D, about a Sigma lens, about a mobile phone and some other products. The first thing is that they always reached on time, so there is no issue about delivery and time. I had to contact customer services because one of my products was broken, and I felt that it was very easy to contact them, and they just told me to return it back, they paid for the postage, and they sent me a new product, which is brilliant. Third of all, how long does it take? It usually takes between a week and 10 days maximum. So I received my Canon within 5 days, which was amazing, mind-blowing. So there is no issue in receiving the product or in terms of time or period if it's going to get late. I would rather say that if you would want to save on some of your hard-earned money, then you should go for eGLOBAL Central, which will give you a peace of mind that you have purchased the most reasonable priced product in the market. From GoPros to DJI drones to your Canon cameras and your lenses, I think they have got the latest and the most extensive variety of each and every item, especially electronic items. The quality of the products. Now, when I say quality, some of the products you'll buy, they might be in a white box. Mine was in the original box. It was all packed and sealed, so I had no issues with it. So guys, this was my review for the company, and I'm pretty much confident that this company is very much legit. There are no issues in ordering anything. You can go ahead and order it. As I told you, I'm not affiliated in any shape or form with the company, and they're not paying me to make this video, but I just felt to make this video after looking at a lot of YouTube videos that eGLOBAL had some bad reviews and people were a bit skeptical in buying stuff from them because they're in Hong Kong. So that's not the case. They are perfectly legit, and they are there, they're trading, and they're really big. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you found this informative, give it a thumbs up, and do leave your comments in the section below, and let me know if you did buy any products from them, and I'll reply back to you and share your experience. So guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.